Hey everybody, it's Mina. So what you're looking at is my makeshift wire board. I decided to make one of these because I am just not ready to spend $85, um, upward to $150 on a wire board. I just don't use velvet or corduroy. I just don't work with those materials that often. So I thought that I would search the internet and get enough information and make my own. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so the supplies that you'll need is you'll just need a block of wood. I got this at Joann's for like $3, and I even used my 50% off coupon. I also got the Velcro from Joann's, it's utility Velcro, and you can use either side. Pick which side, any, mini, money, mo. And I chose the side that's a little rougher, I guess to mimic the wires as close as possible. And I'm just going to kind of line this up and cut the Velcro to the length of the board, and just trying to decipher which side I want to use. But I think I'm going to go with the side with the squares that are a little bit more squared off. So the only thing that you have to do is, just measure the length of the Velcro, peel the back off, and stick it onto the board. And there you have it. So again, I just bought like a yard of the Velcro, and this little board is just going to take like 3 strips. So just compare. I think I spent a total of maybe $6 altogether for a yard of the utility Velcro, and about $2 for the block of wood, compared to, again, I think Walwick has one of these boards for like $89. But I went and searched the internet, and on Etsy they want like 160. I haven't seen one for like $170, and I'm just not ready to invest in that because, again, I don't even use velvet or work with velvet that much. But even if I did, I think this little makeshift project will do me just fine. Um, and then after I'm finished with this, what I'll do is I'll go ahead and I'll just test a piece of corduroy on here. So the purpose of this board, as you all probably already know, is when you press Velcro or corduroy, you can crush the right side the um, of the fabric. You can even scorch it. So this is a good alternative to that wire board. So um, just waiting for my iron to steam up. I've had my iron for about 10 years now, so it takes a little bit for the steam to get going. But let me roll my sleeves up and demonstrate for you. Now I'm not laying the iron directly on it. I'm just kind of hoovering over in it a little bit, just to give it some heat, some good steam, and yeah, and that's about it. So again, I spent less than $10, and this will serve its purpose. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Let me know if you make one, but it works just fine. Thanks for watching.